In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear watch history on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Keep scrolling until you see your activity, then tap Activity Log. Now tap on Search button on the upper right corner. And write videos you have watched. Now here you can see I have it on the first place in results. So click on it. Now tap on Clear Video Watch History. And now just confirm your choice by tapping on Clear button to delete your video watch history. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.